Alright, what's up, y'all? I want to make a video talking about Bitcoin here for the moment. I think Bitcoin is reaching a very critical price level, and we may soon see a breakout here with Bitcoin in the near future. So I kind of want to explain my thoughts with what I see happening with Bitcoin. Now, before I delve into this, I'd like to ask if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So, guys, I'm gonna try to keep this video more brief, more short. Essentially, the gist is we're nearing apex. So there's many ways to draw this, okay? You could say Bitcoin is in a descending triangle. You could say Bitcoin is in a wedge. It all means the same thing. We're going to near an apex. Whenever we near an apex, we have a breakout. What that breakout means is we're likely to move in one direction significantly so. So let's kind of hash this out here. Now, in the near term, this wedge is the most telling for the moment. Okay, you can draw this either as a wedge or a descending triangle. Okay, either way, we're likely to move sideways within it. Now, on a more macro scale, I think what's more telling is this more macro wedge. Okay, I think we're likely to move within this macro wedge within the next few hours and days here. Point being, looking at this wedge slash descending triangle, or this wedge slash descending triangle, we're going to reach an apex, a breakout point here eventually. Now, just to kind of explain why these lines are relevant, this blue line is relevant because we were in a widening wedge here. Okay, we broke up bullishly. Now, we were in a descending triangle here. Let me erase this, hopefully make this a little less confusing. Okay, so in the near term, this is what I see as the most relevant, shape. But aside from that, I think macro shapes are even more telling. And the more macro shape is this wedge slash triangle. So we could likely move sideways and then have a breakout near this here. Or we can continue to move sideways and then have a breakout near the super macro descending triangle. So there's three ways you can look at this: wedge here, descending triangle here. So we're reaching apexes on a few different levels here, depending whether this breaks down or up. Could be telling. Some things I'm gonna look out for is increasing buy volume or sell volume. And again, if we can hold above our 100 and 200 EMA on the hourly, that'll be very telling for the price action here. So those are some of the main things I'm considering. Those three patterns, just to summarize this: wedge here, wedge. God, guys, even though I'm getting confused. So wedge here, slash descending triangle, wedge here, and then descending triangle here. Those three macro patterns. If we stay above or 100 and 200 EMA on the hourly, that's bullish. If we go below, that's bearish. Keep an eye out for volume. And we're reaching apexes on these different levels, so we have to see how those play out. If we move sideways all throughout this movement, and then on this end we break out, this could be potentially an extremely bullish bull flag. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Yeah, guys, I just want to make you guys aware of that. Now, before I end this video, I'd like to take the opportunity to shield GSX, because if you sign up using the link in the description, if you click on that sign up bonus, you get a 5% sign up bonus, and I get a commission based off that. So think of this almost as a sponsorship. Now, to talk about what this is, so GSX is a brand new cryptocurrency by Apollo Fintech. The whole gist of it is it's gold-backed cryptocurrency. So Apollo Fintech runs these gold mine operations. Half of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. So they're saying that in 3 years' time, there'll be enough assets backing each coin that each coin would have a valuation of $1 per coin. They're currently selling it for 10 cents. They're offering a 59% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. They're offering 10 billion coins for sale. 50% of those that aren't sold will be burned, and they offer yearly dividends. Those are some of the main selling points. What I see as the biggest risk when it comes to this is Apollo Fintech is running these gold mines. I don't know how well they're running these. Gold mines. They could be running these gold mines well. They may not. So when I invested this, I'm placing faith and trust in Apollo FinTech that they will run these mines well. I don't know if they are, so I see that as the biggest risk when it comes to this. Now, this fell into my risk tolerances, so I decided to invest in this. But I want to encourage you guys to please do your own research, understand your own risk tolerances, practice proper portfolio diversification, practice proper risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. But if you guys do your own research and you like the idea and you want to participate, click on the link down in the description, the 5% sign up bonus. If you sign up using that link, you'll get a 5% sign up bonus and I'll get a link. I'll also leave a link down to their white paper, the website, and a video where I delve more in depth to what I see as the pros and cons with this. But I basically just summarized it pretty well right now. So, okay, that's it. I think there's 2 days left to participate in this. And let's see how this thing goes, y'all. All right, take care.